The Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card offers a straightforward way to earn cashback on everyday purchases. Here's how to maximize its benefits. Understand the cashback structure. 5% on shallow purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, 3% on drugstore purchases, 1.5% on all other purchases. Redeem your rewards. Access your Chase account online or via the mobile app. Navigate to the Ultimate Rewards section to redeem points for cashback, travel, gift cards, or products. Utilize additional benefits. DashPass subscription. Enjoy a complimentary 3-month DashPass subscription, offering no delivery fees on eligible orders over the minimum subtotal. Afterward, receive a 50% discount on DashPass for the next 9 months. Purchase protection. Benefit from coverage on new purchases against damage or theft. Extend warranty. Receive an extension on the manufacturer's warranty for eligible items. Monitor your account. Regularly check your account for new offers and to track your cashback earnings.